Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the Suzuki GSX S750 ABS, which is a 118 scale special edition diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing. This Suzuki GSX S750 ABS diecast motorcycle replica comes in a special edition window type box, which is the standard packaging by Maisto. So as you can see, bang in the middle on the base plate this model comes on is the Maisto logo alongside the name of this model, which is the Suzuki GSX S750 ABS. And on this bottom corner of the box, you will see the Maisto logo along with the special edition branding. And on this top corner is the scale of the model, which is a 118 scale, which is pretty much the same on the top and on the sides and back as well. And finally, on the bottom of the box, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this opened. So to begin with, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite decent and looks like its real life counterpart for the most part. And the sculpt, the detail and the finish on this replica is quite decent and sure will make a good addition to your collection. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this Suzuki street motorcycle replica comes with a fully blacked out chassis with a white and blue color scheme which is prominent all throughout this model, along with some minimalistic decals, graphics and Suzuki branding. This replica comes with a black and silver steerable front fork that contrasts with the rest of the color theme on this replica. And this model also comes with a well-detailed headlight with a pair of front turn signals, and this unit flows into an all-black handlebar with a pair of rear view mirrors, hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers. Moving down is a white front fender with minute ABS branding that wraps around a beautiful blue alloy style wheel and a rubber tire with a double disc brake unit. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in white, which seamlessly flows together as a single unit with the Suzuki logo and the GSX S750 branding on both sides, which are in blue, black and red. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well-detailed engine sculpt, which is fully in black and comes with the engine scoop, which is in white with blue Suzuki branding. This replica comes with a single exhaust, which is in black and silver, with the rest of the midsection components blacked out. And talking about the seat, it's a two-piece double seat which is in black that flows into a well-sculpted tailpiece, which comes with the tail light, a pair of rear turn signals and a number plate. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with the chain and sprocket unit along with a single disc brake unit as well. And just to mention, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension, unlike the front, which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale motorcycle specs. Well, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Suzuki GSX S750 ABS, and I'm glad I got this replica to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica with some amazing details and is a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Suzuki enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. And with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Suzuki GSX S750 ABS replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this Suzuki motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for looks as well as for its functionality. And with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Suzuki GSX S750 ABS coming up. The Suzuki GSX S750 is a 749cc 16-valve inline-four engine motorcycle made by Suzuki since 2015. The engine of this motorcycle was introduced in a middleweight street bike called the 2005 GSX R750. The sports-bike-derived engine has been retuned for more usable mid-range torque and acceleration at the expense of high-end power. This was done in an attempt to make the motorcycle have better commuting aspects. The GSX S750's predecessor, the GSR 750, was sold in the European market since 2011, while Suzuki sold the same motorbike with a different body model in the USA under the GSX S750 name in 2015 and 2016. The changes made to the GSX S750 include a new exhaust to comply with the Euro 4 and California emission standards, a new tapered handlebar, a new swing arm, a revised airbox, and ventilation holes in the bottom of each cylinder to reduce pumping loss and improve power. It uses a 43-tooth rear sprocket compared to the GSR's 42 to improve acceleration, and top gear was lengthened to keep the top speed the same. And for further information on the Suzuki GSX S750 ABS, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Suzuki GSX S750 replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Suzuki diecast replica. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And also please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.